Today we'll learn how Playwright interacts with web applications like a real user. Automation testing is more than validation. We must perform action reliably. By the end of this episode, you may understand click buttons, tap into imports, clear text fields, handle checkbox, work with radio buttons, select drop-down value, upload files, hover elements, double-click, right-click, draw and drop, press keyboard key, understand Playwright auto-weight drawing actions, handle interaction failure. This is one of the most practical episodes in the beginner series. Interactions. Click buttons. Tap text. Select drop-down. Upload file. Hover menu. Automation scripts stimulate these behaviors. Playwright automatically wait until elements visible in labeled stable. Elements Playwright interaction. On the page have the button login. This is a Playwright script. Wait page get by row. This is the button. Row is the button. Name is login. So click. Import text equal text. This is a text box. Wait page get by label. This is a username fill admin or clear first then fill. Import tabbed equal checkbox with page locate checkbox check or use another action uncheck or check this checkbox to be checked. This is a drop-down. Select this drop-down. This drop-down list name is a country. So select option equal Canada. This import type is equal file. With page locator, this is a file. So set import file. This is a path. This is a file name. Draw and drop. With page command locator. This is source elements. Drop, draw and drop to this elements. Scrolling. With page, find this footer and scrolling to view. Common interaction failure. Elements not available. Handle elements. Element is detached from domain. Page refreshed dynamically. Timeout executed. Run locate. Best practice reason. Prefer user-facing locator. Stable tests. Avoid false click. Prevent handle bugs. Use a session after actions. Validate behavior. Use Playwright auto-weight. Reduce flocking tests. Keep interaction readable. Ease maintenance. Let's look at the web page we are testing. So go to this web page, and here we click this one and web elements. Then go to this page. You see here is a button, so we can check any button. And here is a text area, so you can type something in the text box. Here is text area, so I can type something in the text area. And here is a checkbox, so you can check checkbox. And here is a radio button, so you can check radio button. And here is a choose the file, so you can choose any file. You can, it doesn't matter, any file you can find, and then you can choose it. Open is get in here. Another here is a drop-down list. This is for the age drop-down list. So you can see have the value here. So you can check any value you want. This is another one. You can check anything. And this is for the test web page. How the script doing? So I add a new script. Here is a new script elements script, and the first line is the same thing. Import text expect from the Playwright text. Before each, you see here is go to the home page, this page, and make sure URL is a correct URL. This is use a session. And click the web page by its text. So in the page, find the text equal texts and click. Then find the text equal web elements, click. Then go to this page, check URL equal this URL. Here is a click button 1 base text, so is a home page, and this is go to the this web page, and get bezel. This is button name is button 1. So according to the button 1, click. And here is go to the text box 2. This is import name equal text 2. Then type this sentence in the text 2, this one. And here is also another one is go to the text area 3. Type this in the text area 3. This is a drop-down list. Go to this page, find the drop-down list. This drop-down list, select option. Select option, name is age. This is a drop-down list name. And select 12 for this one. So I can run a test. If I run debugging, you can see the browser. You see, yeah, it's finished. Okay. If run, the not browser come up, so I can run this again. You can see the test pass or fail. So this is a full test pass. We look at other test. Here is the file upload. So go to the web page, then find the upload file 3. Like you can see here, upload file 3. Then give this file upload. So go to this folder and get this file, upload, and get a screenshot. Another test is the checkbox 1. Go to the page, find the checkbox 1, check this box, text box 1. Radio button 2. Go to page, find the radio button 2, check. Action, keyboard action. Go to the web page, find the text 2, text tag box 2. Find this one and tap admin. And the keyboard action is put the enter key. Let's run test. You see, all the tests pass. So you can run at a cursor. So I can run this one is just for this test. Let me run, see what happened for this one. Okay, you see the finishing. If you want a debugger, you can follow the automation test, run the debugger model, then you can see every step automation test run and do something. You may create another script and open the Google, search Playwright, press Enter key, validate results, hover to any menu if available. Great work! You now know the Playwright interact with a real web application like a user. See you next time.